Alright, so what is up, guys? Welcome back, or if you're new to the channel, welcome as well. So, I am driving home. I know, every time I get on here, I am driving. But, it is safe, don't worry, whatever. Anyway, so, I have ordered a few mods, not really like performance-wise or whatever. It's really just to kind of monitor stuff. I was going to go with the CTS2 monitor, not the tuner, just a monitor. I already have EFI Live, the GDP EFI Live AutoCal. So I didn't really want to get another tuner, obviously, especially because I've been going on a long road trip, so I don't really want to switch everything over, and then I don't like it, and then now I can't really change it back until I get back here. So but yeah, so I ordered a couple things. One of them is kind of cosmetic. I'll just tell you what it is. It's just the license plate lights. One of mine, the bulbs keep on going out. I think it's going to have the right resistor for it. I don't have any resistor in there at all, actually. It's just a bulb, just an LED bulb. I want everything LED since everything else is LED in this truck except for the interior, because I can't get it to work 100% properly, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter, it's just an interior anyways. So what I ordered though, I ordered some gauges. I'll tell you what it is right now. I don't really care, whatever. It's not like a big modification, but it is gauges though. And if you look and see on here, this is broken anyways. When I first got it, it was like that, kind of, and then it got pulled down, and then it just looks kind of like crap. Well, I mean, it goes in there, just, yeah, it kind of looks like crap to me. I know it's broken, so, but yeah, we're in here. I also ordered the heat shield for the bottom of my hood, or for the inside of my hood, I guess, and the bottom, whatever, inside. That'll be in today. It should be in later on. My gauges should be there when I get home. I should be home in a couple minutes here. They should be here when I get home, and let's see, what will I do next? Let's see. I'm waiting for the added circuits to get in. If you don't know what those are, so essentially what it is this: with the gauges, you run them all to one wire, and that, like, the ground, power, and there's another. So essentially, it's orange, yellow, and black. Obviously, the black is a ground, so you run that to a ground frame, on your frame, or not your frame, but your like your body or whatever. There's grounding points, or you can just drill and tap your own hole, essentially. Self-tapping screws, essentially what it is. So yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to run it all into the engine bay, or I may just run it to the side of my dash. Is what they recommend to do. So what I'm going to be doing is, with the added circuit, is you run all three gauges as a 3-gauge pod. It's EGT, trans temp, and boost PSI on there. So it's 60 PSI boost, 2400 EGT, and then the transmission temperature, which I cannot remember what that goes up to. Should be too hot though, but whatever. So essentially what you do is you run them all to one wire. I'm beating around the bush with this, but you run them all to one wire, and then that one wire you essentially splice. It comes with a splice on the added circuit itself. That you run into there, and there's three in the instructions. It has 3 different. I watched a YouTube video, that's how I know it's by Everything Diesel, actually. So shout out to Everything Diesel for helping me out with helping me install this. So that it's literally the exact same one I got, because I was like, well, that dude knows how to freaking do it. He knows what he's doing. So essentially, you run to one wire. You run it to the added circuit. You plug that added circuit. What it is, it looks like a mini fuse. That's what, not the super mini fuses, but like the mini fuse that still has the little prongs at the bottom. So you take that out. So say it's a 10 amp fuse essentially. You plug the 10 amp fuse. You take it out of the spot, put it onto the added circuit, and the added circuit already has like the fuse on it. You put the fuse on it, or whichever which way, and you plug both of those into that one added circuit, and you put that circuit, boom, into the fuse spot. So it's in number 33, I think is one of them. You take out the one that's in 33, I believe it's a 10 amp, plug it into the added circuit, and then you plug that out of circuit, boom, into that spot, and then now you're good to go. Now you don't have to splice any wires into your wiring bundle or any of that crap. And then if you ever want to take the gauges off for whatever reason, say you don't want that on there because you just don't want it, or you trade in to a dealership, which I'm never going to get rid of this truck, so I don't really care. But if you are one of those people that are going to trade into a dealership, you can take it off there so you can put it on your other truck. So you get a new Cummins, you want those gauges still, but you don't really care about the pillar, but you want the gauges still. You save your old pillar with the handle on it, put that beast on there, unwire the gauges, and then boom, you're good to go. Then you don't have to worry about it. Back to stock. Okay, I am down the road from my house now, luckily. I think later on I maybe go and take pictures of my truck, and I'll post this on my Instagram. So if you have not subscribed or followed my Instagram, I guess not subscribed. If you have not followed my Instagram yet, go ahead and do so. The link is down in the description, right down there. And then also, let's see if these gauges are actually here. All right. All right, guys. So I'm home. I'm in my garage. I did get my freaking gauges. I knew it. So, yes, exactly right there. Boost, trans temp, and EGTs. It's pretty legit. These are glow shift. I actually got these on Amazon. I'll put it on a link in the description. And this thing right here, my pillar. Came with the wiring kit. Obviously, these decals to add another 150 horsepower because obviously when you do actual mods. The T-fitting for the transmission. The boost bolt. That's a good thing that it came with. It's like $10 otherwise. It's kind of ridiculous. Like all the other ones they would charge way too much, and this one came with it, so it's pretty nice. So I'm not going to be installing this until a little bit later, but I will get back to you on the same video, obviously. I just can't install it till later because I have to have my added circuits and my Teflon tape I ordered because I didn't really feel like going to the store for it. I will be back in about 2 seconds. All right, so I am back. So we're going to start digging into this beast. We move this over here. Okay, so came with wiring and everything. I love this. This is crazy. I got this off of Amazon actually. I think I said before, I will put this down in the description. Link to it on there, and we will get this going. All right, guys. So welcome back again. Okay, yeah. So I was going to video me installing these things, and I got like 5 minutes of installing them, and I was like, nah, this is a freaking crapshoot right here. I'm not doing that. So instead, I will just take you on a little drive right now. Okay, so I have them installed. My transmission temperature one is not fully installed. It's in here because I don't want to look stupid without a gauge, but it is not fully installed because if I fully install it, I have to go get a freaking pipe cutter, and I have to go get about 4 quarts of transmission fluid because that's what you have to drain out in order to do it. On these 68 RFEs, it's not like the 48 RE or the 68 RE, or I think those are the other 2 transmissions. You can correct me in the comments, whatever. But you have to, with these though, you have to have it to where things look really dim. Sorry. So anyways, yeah, so they it's not the same as those ones. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. I'll flip you guys around though in a second. I will show you exactly what these bad boys look like. So yes, I'm driving. Yeah, they don't actually flicker like that. It looks like it because the LED, the refresh rate on it is super fast. So I'm not gonna be going that fast. I'm gonna turn around here real quick. On here, turn around. And I'll show you guys. My TDMS light is on because my spare tire, so I had that solidified the other day. But so my EGT works, my boost works. It almost looked like it didn't work, but it does work. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn you around again so you can see. Alright guys, so right here, you have this color. It's like a whitish blue. The refresh rate's crazy, so it looks like it's blinking. It's actually not blinking to the human eye. This, and then you have another one where it'll just change. Let's see. No, that one. Yeah, it's like a purplish pink color, kind of. The white. Yeah, there you go. So that one right there changes the colors. That just pretty much just goes through all the whole colors. Same thing with the EGT. You know, it's sitting pretty low right now. I have the little covers on them still, and then obviously the trans temp is just going to be maxed because I don't. It's not hooked up to any wire. I mean, it's hooked up to the light wires, but not anything to like the actual wires. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, I pretty much just leave these kind of red, white, and blue because I love it like that. But I do like that light blue and then blue, so it looks like kind of red, white, and blue. I love Americans. But yeah, so that's pretty much it though. You know, like, you know, go ahead and subscribe. You know, comment if you know what you want me to, what you want to see, and everything like that, and just kind of let me know what you think about this video. I'll see you guys next time. Later.